Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. My name is Supriya Mishra and I predominantly create beauty and skincare videos, but kabhi-kabhi thoda variation ke liye I also upload some of my travel videos. So if you think you are interested in such content, then please shower your love and support by subscribing to my channel, clicking on that little bell icon right next to it, liking all my videos and also commenting. Okay, that's it for the introduction and now let's start the video. Today I'm going to talk about a brand called Moms & Co. These products are paraben free, toxics and chemical free, cruelty free, allergy free and is suitable for all skin type including sensitive and acne prone skin. Now that's really impressive. I have personally used all these three products religiously for over a month and now here is my honest and sincere feedback. So I have three products with me today. First is a face wash, second is a under eye cream and the third one is a serum. So let's first talk about the face wash. This is Moms & Co. Natural Vita Rich Face Wash which has vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid, my favorite. It gently cleans and hydrates. The entire list of ingredient is mentioned on the bottle. This retails for 348 rupees and you get 100 ml of product. It easily lasts for a month. Now what I think about this product. I instantly fell in love with this face wash the very first time I used it. Now let me read out what the product claims. It has vitamin C known to improve hydration, reduce pigmentation and shield skin from pollution. Vitamin B3 for its ability to improve uneven skin tone and fine lines, and it has witch hazel extract for its astringent properties, making it great for oily and acne prone skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid for its ability to replenish lost moisture. The only point that impressed me apart from all the important vitamins it already has is the hyaluronic acid, which is such a blessing for a dry skin type, and during this winters I definitely need my extra dose of hydration. This face wash has absolutely lived up to my expectation. My skin doesn't feel even a tad bit stretchy after I use it, and with all the vitamins it only gets better. I have completely used up the bottle, so I have nothing left to show you the consistency, but I can tell you it's a semi-clear liquid and the consistency is quite runny. I have already ordered my second bottle and it is a must recommendation for all skin type and double recommendation for dry skin type. Now moving on to the second product, which is their under eye cream. This is called Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream with coffee oil, vitamin E and B3. First, let me read out what the product claims. It has coffee oil known to reduce dark circles, fine lines and puffiness. It has omega-3 rich chia seeds oil, hyaluronic acid and avocado oil for enhanced skin hydration. And the last is vitamin B3 to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Now what I feel about the product. First of all, fancy packaging. You are supposed to pump here and the cream comes out this way. Now you're supposed to use the roller ball and massage under your eye. First of all, I find this applicator utterly useless because the plastic rim around the roller ball is very harsh. It really hurts my under eye area, and an area which is very sensitive and the most delicate part of my face. Why am I going to use such a harsh thing to massage my under eyes? In fact, my fingertips are my best applicator. So it completely depends on you if you want to use it or not, but that's my feedback. I really find the applicator absolutely unnecessary. Whereas I think most of us, we usually use our fingertips to massage our under eye or the area around our eyes because that is a very delicate and a sensitive part of our face. Now if we talk about the product, if you are someone who has been suffering from dark circles or you are someone who is over 30 and are planning to take care of your fine lines, I think this product is an absolute buy. This product does justice to every claim. The area under our eyes are very sensitive and the skin is very thin. So if this area is left dry for a long period of time, the appearance of fine line increases. So it is inevitable for us to keep our under eye area always hydrated. You should always try to include a good under eye cream in your night skincare routine because hydration of the under eye area is very important if you are someone who is trying to avoid fine lines or at least trying to delay the aging process. So after 30, using a good eye cream is very important. Now moving on to the third product. This is the face serum. This is called Natural Vita Face Serum, which has vitamin C, B5, B3, E and hyaluronic acid. Again hyaluronic acid. If you are someone who has been following my videos or are a subscriber to my channel, you guys know I don't even consider mentioning a product which doesn't have a hyaluronic acid, because I am a dry skin type, and trust me, it is not easy to be a dry skin type. The struggle is real, and hyaluronic acid is my favorite ingredient because it really boosts up the moisture of my skin. It hydrates my skin beautifully, and this coming winter can be really harsh. So using products which is hyaluronic acid is very important for me, and I think it's important for everyone who has combination to dry to very dry skin. So coming back to the product, this product claims to penetrate deep into the skin to hydrate, brighten and help reduce pigmentation and fine lines, and also fights all signs of aging including fine lines and wrinkles. I have happened to use this product for over a month now, and this one has become one of my favorite serum till date. There is one more. Yeah, so these two serums are the products that I use on a daily basis. I alternate between my morning skincare and my night skincare, but yes, I have absolutely fallen in love with this serum. The consistency is very serum like. It is very mild and absorbs into the skin instantly. I love how my skin drinks up all this serum and it completely absorbs into the skin, and you don't feel any stickiness or greasiness after you apply this serum. It just vanishes in like few seconds. So I usually try to include this serum in my night skincare. I usually love to use serums during the night so that next day morning my skin feels very radiant and glowy, and this serum exactly does the same thing. First of all, it gives me a beautiful hydration. I don't feel stretchy in the morning. My skin feels very soft, very glowy and very radiant. And to give a dry skin type a glowy skin next morning can be really tough, and this serum successfully does that. Moreover, if a serum has anti-aging properties, I think it is best for your night skincare because it takes care of all your skin concerns. It gives you hydration, it takes care of your aging process, it helps in reducing pigmentation, it helps for correcting your uneven skin tone. So I think this serum is a wonderful serum to be included in your night skincare routine. Now this one retails for $6.99 and you get 30 ml of product. It is more than enough to last for 45 days, and if you buy all the three product in a combo, you will definitely find some discount. I'm not sure because I bought it a month back, and I'm sure I got some discount. So there are combo packs also available in Moms & Co website, so do check it out. I think combo packs are better to buy. I mean, it is very cost effective, and I got all these three because they are from the same vitamin C range, and all the three products helps in fighting signs of aging. So this range has become my absolute favorite, and all the three products have beautifully delivered whatever it claims. So guys, this was a very quick review of three products from Moms & Co. They are a very nice brand. They are, as I said, they are completely paraben free, SLS free, they are cruelty free, they are allergy free, and it completely suits all skin type, may it be dry, oily, combination, acne prone, sensitive skin, everyone can use it. So I would request you to go for it and try these products, and do let me know in the comment section how did you find it. So that's all for today's video guys. I'll see you people super soon with a new video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.